In the world of tech, finance, and businesses startup, there are 16 Indian companies that have lasted more than 100 years. These companies are Jessop and Company, back in 1788, run by a part of the Ruya Group. We have Bennett, Coleman and Company, started back in 1838, which we better know as the Times Group. Bombay Dyeing, started back in 1879. Dabur, 1884. Kirloskar Brothers, 1888. DCM, the Delhi Cloth Mill, started back in 1889. Britannia, 1892. Punjab National Bank, back in 1894. Century Textiles and Industries, back in 1897. CESC, the Calcutta Electric Supply Group, started back in 1897 as well. Godrej and Boyce, 1899. Indian Hotels Company, 1902, which we better know as the Taj Group today. Shalimar Paints, started back in 1902. Tata Steel, back in 1907. ITC, the Imperial Tobacco Company, started back in 1910. And we have TVS, which started back in 1911. Let me know, what do you think, why these companies lasted more than 100 years, and do you find any such companies in the current ecosystem that you feel will be able to last 100 years? Let me know in the comments below.